Yo, stop storing your food in those crusty plastic containers. Upgrade your life with this Ello Duraglass set. Look at these colors. These are straight up cracked. They've got silicone sleeves so they don't break, and they're dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe. No more BPA drama, just pure glass vibes. The airtight lids are GOATED, no leaks, no mess. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or taking lunch to work, this is the ultimate flex for your fridge. Big W. Get your aesthetic together. Click the link in my bio to cop this set on Amazon. Follow Future Tech USA for more sick home finds.